G'day everyone, and welcome to AI Real Highlights. I'm your host, David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a spotlight on something vitally important for your home and health: safe asbestos removal here in Newcastle and Lake Macquarie. This isn't just about renovation, it's about peace of mind. Our experts specialise in safe and compliant asbestos removal, serving both residential and commercial clients across Lake Macquarie. We're talking fully licensed and certified professionals, strictly adhering to safety protocols and local regulations. From a small backyard shed to a large industrial site, we tailor our services to your unique needs, always with environmentally responsible disposal methods. Our deep local expertise means we understand the common asbestos risks in Newcastle's buildings. We offer quick, efficient solutions that minimise disruption to your daily routine. So breathe easy, knowing your asbestos worries are handled. Trust our certified team for swift and safe removal. Contact us today to secure your peace of mind. Right, why trust us with something so critical? It's simple. You're choosing a fully licensed and certified service that puts safety and compliance first. That means true peace of mind, knowing the job is handled by experts. We tailor our services to your specific needs, whether it's a small home task or a larger commercial site, ensuring a quick and efficient process that keeps disruption to a minimum. Our local expertise here in Newcastle means we understand the unique risks, and our commitment to environmentally responsible disposal protects both your family and the environment. Now, let's tackle some common questions, because knowledge is power. What's the first step? A professional inspection to assess and plan. How do you know if asbestos is present? Properties built before the 1990s are at risk, but only professional testing confirms it. Is it expensive? Costs vary, but we provide clear, detailed quotes up front. And is it safe? Absolutely, when handled by our certified professionals adhering strictly to safety protocols. We're all about getting you back to living life to the fullest, free from worry. All right, let's talk about the health and safety of it all, because this is where professionalism truly counts. Asbestos is a dangerous material. When its fibers are disturbed, it can lead to serious respiratory illnesses and even cancer. That's why hiring professionals for safe handling and disposal is absolutely essential. Consider a family who, unknowingly, lived with asbestos-laden insulation, developing health issues over time. This scenario highlights why prompt, professional removal isn't just a service, it's a safeguard. We prioritise three key aspects. First, containment, sealing off the work area to prevent fibre spread. Second, protective gear. Our technicians wear full personal protective equipment to minimise exposure. And third, thorough disposal. Removed asbestos is disposed of strictly according to regulations, eliminating future health risks. By prioritising health and safety in every step, we ensure you return to a safer environment with confidence. You deserve peace of mind, knowing your home is truly free from this dangerous material. Don't risk it. Book a call with our asbestos removal team